We had a question from a YouTube subscriber today, and the question was, how many people do I have to have on my team before I talk to a seller and negotiate a deal? Do I need to have my title company and my attorney and my real estate agent and all these people assembled before I go out and talk to a seller? The answer to that is no. You don't. It doesn't matter how great a team you have. If you're not talking to a seller, you're not going to buy a house. We tell all of our students, get in front of sellers, talk to them, try to work out deals, negotiate things, get it under contract. Once that deal's under contract, you've got time, and the amount of time you've got is really dependent on how much time you allow yourself in that contract. If they're not in foreclosure, if there's no distress, give yourself 30 days, 45 days, 60 days to close. You got plenty of time to go out there and get your people in place to get things done. That's why it's important to have a coach or a mentor or a friend who's an investor who's already doing this kind of stuff. But don't wait, okay? Don't wait until you've got the perfect business card, you've got the right title company, you've got the real estate agent, all those things. Get some deals under contract, talk to some sellers, and get that stuff out of the way. Then take your time, get out there, assemble the people you need, and get the deal closed.